In a path-breaking discovery, astrophysicists have detected the first evidence of the existence of gravitational waves in space which sound like a hum at a large gathering. The detection of hum, a subtle vibration, has now opened up a new, unique perspective to the study of cosmic symphony. This discovery was first envisioned by Albert Einstein in his theory of relativity in 1916, proposing that the gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of the universe that travel through everything at the speed of light. Previous studies on gravitational waves indicated that space is filled with these waves subtly squeezing and stretching everything they pass through, primarily originating from pairs of supermassive black holes spiraling and merging together. To find evidence, this latest research relied on pulsars, which are the highly dense remnants of exploded stars spinning at extraordinary speeds. They flash beams of radio waves at extremely regular intervals like cosmic lighthouses. The timing of these pulsars is so precise that they can be used to detect the way space stretches and squeezes as gravitational waves roll through. This means they can act as a very precise clock. To study the waves, radio telescopes around the world, including India's giant meter-wave radio telescope located in Pune, were aimed at a total of 115 pulsars across the Milky Way. This breakthrough has been made by hundreds of scientists from several countries under the banner of International Pulsar Timing Array Consortium. The scientists emphasized that they have not yet definitively detected the waves. Speaking to the media, Michael Keith of the European Pulsar Timing Array said that there was a 99% probability that the evidence points to gravitational waves but are frustratingly just shy of the mark. If detected, the hum of the universe can be the biggest possible step in the quest to understand the cosmos, and it can pave the way for a deeper understanding of how black holes and galaxies form and evolve.
Subscribe to the Federal's YouTube page for more news and updates.